in 3, 2, 1. Sorry. 3, 2, 1. All right, looks like we got some blue autonomous movement. Looks like we got a park. Nice little 3 points to tidy up their lead at the start of the match. No movement from the Red Alliance.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
All right, we got to start by telling the operating period. All robots to the left with their driver-controlled programming. Looks like we got 15604 goes for the high basket with an alliance-specific sample. Looks like we have a got 20206 looking to match that high sample put up by 15604 with 2 lower basket samples. We'll see if that math works out at the end here. But we got robots scrambling to put samples in the net zone below the basket. Robots looking to move those samples from the net zone all the way up to a basket. It's like 20206 is just, the grip strength might be a little bit too much or a little bit too little when they're putting new samples in their baskets. A lot of fascinated faces over on the Red Alliance. Hard to get through and see what's going on. So we might have some robot-to-robot interference as we close in on endgame. 5 seconds until endgame. The score close, 25-24, going into endgame. 20 seconds left in the match. Red pulling ahead slightly with 37 points. And blue answer with some scoring here. 10 seconds left. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Video. Looks like we have a Red Alliance victory, 40-35 points, a close match.